Hey there, roofing contractor subscribers. I'm Dr. Gensini, certified consulting meteorologist and PhD from the University of Georgia, and I'm here because I love educating contractors about what storms are coming their way. Enjoy this week's video. Hey everyone, welcome to our last week in review video. It is Monday, July 19th. Dr. Gensini here as always for Extreme Weather Insights powered by PSAI. Before we get started, as always, a couple quick photos. On the left, a beautiful tornado dancing across a cornfield in Iowa last week. This was on Wednesday. Very high contrast, something you'd more see in like Kansas, right? This is in central Iowa near Des Moines, the Storm Lake area, if you're familiar with Iowa. And then another picture of that tornado later on in its life cycle. I wanted to show these to you as this tornado was very dramatic. And if you remember that day, Wednesday, that we circled the extreme hail possible, that was indeed the day of the severe weather materializing just south of the Twin Cities here in central Iowa. Just kind of north and west of Des Moines. In fact, I'll show you the map here in just a minute. But we had a extreme weather score of 5. Not a lot of days expected, but the days that were expected did pan out. Did miss a couple of days on the high plains, and I'll show you those as well too. So I'd probably give our forecast grade of 5 as well. We hit the big area on Wednesday. We did miss some areas in the high plains. So let's take a look at those. There's your tornado outbreak in central Iowa. On Wednesday of last week, we also had a few days out east that we accounted for, but you'll notice a couple of large hail reports near the Rapid City area and then scattered along the high plains. And if I go back to my map, we didn't highlight those. So in hindsight, probably should have had a couple of days of outlooks. This hail happened on Saturday, so a couple of days ago. So probably should have thrown that in there as well, but missed those. Did hit the big tornado outbreak across Iowa. There wasn't actually a lot of hail reported with those storms, which is interesting. Scientifically, so we'll have to go back and probably do a post-mortem on that to figure out why that was the case. The record deficit of hail continues. Not really much to say here other than we are approaching nearly 4,000 hail report deficit from the mean. You'll notice that the current count that we have here through about mid-July of 2,738 reports is really what we should have by the time we're in the middle of May. So we're really kind of 2 months behind in terms of accumulating hail reports across the U.S. So again, another one of these situations where we're going to have to go back and do a post-mortem to figure out why this year is so low in terms of hail activity. I think a lot of it has to do with the big ridge, the heat dome out west, and the wildfires that are occurring out there right now, and really too much hot air, because as the hail falls, of course, it will melt if the air is too warm. So stay tuned for more discussion on that. Have a great week, everyone. Dr. Gensini here again. It is Monday, July 19th for Extreme Weather Insights powered by PSAI. We hope you're a subscriber. If not, drop us a line, set up a meeting with us to figure out how you can leverage weather and weather forecast for your business. Take care, everyone. We'll see you next week. Thanks for watching this week's video, and I hope it helped you prepare for the week. As always, you can get tons of great content at roofingcontractor.com. And please, if you have any questions, reach out to our team at predictivesalesai.com. Have a great week.